Struggling to make ends meet? Let's fix that with a simple budget in just 2 minutes.
Welcome to your quick guide to creating a monthly budget for the USA. Whether you're saving for a new phone or dodging debt, these 3 easy steps will put you in control. Let's dive in.
Do you know where your money starts? Most people miss this.
Step 1. Calculate your take-home pay. Check your pay stub for net income. Say $3,000 a month for a $50,000 salary after taxes. Add side hustles like DoorDash. Use apps like Mint to track it. That's your budget's foundation.
Ever wonder where your cash disappears? Let's find out.
Step 2. List your expenses. Fixed ones like $1,000 rent or $15 Netflix stay the same. Variable ones like $250 for groceries or $80 for gas change. Check bank statements or use Rocket Money to see your spending. The average American spends $4,000 a month, so don't stress. Want a budget that's easy and works? Try this trick. Step 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Put 50% to needs like rent and groceries. That's $1,500 for a $3,000 income. 30% to wants like takeout, about $900. And 20% to savings or debt, like $600 for an emergency fund. Track it weekly with YNAB and adjust if you overspend. That's it. You've got a budget to crush your financial goals in the USA. Like and subscribe for more money tips, and comment your favorite budgeting hack below. Start today and take control.